Good. This is the Larrivee L-02. It's built in Vancouver, BC. And as you can see, we'll look around on it, but there are no scratches or dents on the guitar. It plays really well. It is a very balanced tone, similar to maybe like a Taylor. Just a good balanced tone with a lot of clear high end. So we'll play just a little bit so you can get a sound for it. It plays clear everywhere. There's no fret buzz. Nice full strum, good low end. The tuners are really nice, the tune really smooth.